Here's a myth: it can only be installed by professionals. Well, that's not exactly true, because you can go to the big box store and pick up a kit or a can of foam and use it in a DIY, do-it-yourself, around the home. Be very careful. That's not to say that everyone can spray foam. If you have a large job, you want to insulate an attic, you want to insulate a garage, it's best to bring in the larger pieces of equipment, the professionals that have been trained. There's industry standards. These are chemicals, and they've been trained to handle chemical where most homeowners have not.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.